In this video, we're going to solve for the integral of 1 plus x all over 1 plus x squared dx. So first, it's not immediately obvious what the antiderivative of this is. So we're going to need to use some trick. First, we might want to try u-substitution. Now, what do we know about u-substitution? Usually if we have some powers of x, we'll choose the higher power so that the derivative of x can appear. So here we have 1 plus x squared. The derivative of that is 2x dx, but we don't really see a way that that could be useful. What's another thing you notice? Well, we have 1 plus x over 1 plus x squared, so we can break this up into two fractions. This is 1 over 1 plus x squared plus x over 1 plus x squared. So let me write that first so we can see if we notice anything. So this is equal to the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx plus the integral of x over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay, so what do we notice? Well, the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx, this is equal to arctan of x. Now, what about the second integral? Well, we're going to need to do some work for the second integral, but the u-substitution that we tried to do for our original integral will work here. Why is that? Well, let's see. For this integral, we let u equal 1 plus x squared. So then du is the derivative of 1 plus x squared, which is 2x dx. So what does that mean about dx? Dx is equal to du divided by 2x. Okay, so if we try to do this u-substitution, what do we get? Well, we get the integral of x over 1 plus x squared dx equals the integral of x over u times dx, which is du over 2x. So these x's will cancel out. And now I can factor out the constant, that 2, so there's a 1/2 times the integral of 1 over u du. Now, what's the integral of 1 over u? That's ln of u. Are we done yet? Nope. We started with something in terms of x. Now we have something in terms of u, so we have to plug in what u is. So this is 1/2 ln of one plus x squared plus c. Should be a plus c here too. Okay, great. So now we can put everything together. So going back to our original, 1 plus x over 1 plus x squared dx, we had that this first integral is arctan of x. And this second integral, which we just evaluated and got 1/2 ln of 1 plus x squared plus c. And this is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.